How to log in Zing HR. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in into Zing HR. Without further ado, let's begin. Open any web browser. Navigate to search bar at the top of your screen and type in Zing HR login. Press enter on your keyboard. From this result page, you need to click on the first link of Zing HR. Then you will land on official interface of Zing HR. Click on Login button at top right corner of the screen. Then you will reach on the Login portal of Zing HR where you have to enter the company code, employee code and password. Then click on Login button at the bottom of the screen and with that you will successfully log in into Zing HR account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.